In the world of cybersecurity, denial of service, DoS, and distributed denial of service, DDoS, attacks are two major cyber threats. Both attacks have the same goal: to disrupt the availability of a service or system by flooding it with malicious traffic. However, there are several key differences between the two. DoS attacks are typically launched from a single source, such as a single computer or server. The attacker will use a variety of techniques to send massive amounts of data or requests to the target system in an effort to overwhelm it and prevent legitimate users from accessing the service or system. DoS attacks can be effective, but they are generally limited in scope and scale. DDoS attacks, on the other hand, are launched from multiple sources, using a network of compromised computers or servers, known as a botnet. This network of computers is used to send a large volume of malicious traffic to the target system, making it impossible for legitimate users to access the service or system. DDoS attacks are much more powerful than DoS attacks, as they can generate huge amounts of traffic, often from hundreds of thousands of computers. While both DoS and DDoS attacks can be devastating, the most important difference between them is the complexity of the attack. DoS attacks are relatively straightforward and can be launched with minimal technical knowledge. DDoS attacks, however, require a more sophisticated approach and usually require a great deal of technical knowledge and resources. In conclusion, both DoS and DDoS attacks have the same goal of disrupting the availability of a service or system, but they have some key differences. DoS attacks are typically launched from a single source and are limited in scope and scale, while DDoS attacks are much more powerful, as they are launched from multiple sources and can generate huge amounts of traffic. Finally, DoS attacks are relatively straightforward to launch, while DDoS attacks require a more sophisticated approach and a great deal of technical knowledge and resources.